What's up guys, and welcome to the first ever tutorial of how to use Microsoft Word. In today's tutorial, it's all about how to get started. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you need to do is actually go to the software, the program located onto your computer, Mac. So I would go to the dock, click on Finder, then navigate to Applications, click on Show Items as Icons, navigate to Microsoft Word. I can click this from here, or I can go to the Launchpad, click on the folder, click on this, or I could go to the right hand top corner, click on the question mark and type in Word. Click on this, enter, and there we should see the application opened up, ready for us to use. So now I would click on the blank document, create, and now we are ready to move on to our second tutorial. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.